We need to look at our house. And I want to start by talking about what we do in the house of God. And first is absenteeism. I am not here to condemn anyone. But if God has said we should not forsake the assembling of ourselves together, then we should assemble together. And sometimes we just don't come to church for any reason whatsoever. I woke up 5 minutes late. I have to bake a cake. I have to prepare for an exam I have tomorrow. We're dealing with a king. If the president, we have a president, some of you like him, some of you don't. If this president or some other president that you like invited you to the White House, you are going to organize your schedule around the fact that you have an important event to attend. And it's the same with the church. We need to organize ourselves so that we can be in the house of God. We can be in the fellowship of believers. We have a prayer meeting on Wednesdays. In the prayer meeting, we are coming to talk to the king. The king is giving us an audience in the group of others.